What's going on, YouTube? Today I'm back again with yet another vintage iRobot unboxing. I sound really corny saying this. So I found this on eBay, just like I found the scuba, and I was like, I know everybody else liked to watch me unboxing the scuba, so I thought y'all would like to see this too. We'll give y'all a little bit of update. I did used to collect things like this. I still keep a lot of them around, but I did move for graduate school, so I didn't get rid of my robots. I still have some here that moved with me to the city, to my apartment, and then some stayed with my parents. So they should be under good care. In good hands would be a better term for that. So this is the Discovery Sage, and then it actually says 2.1. So let's see if y'all can see that. It's the 4000 series. I think it's 4210 or something like that, maybe. It does have a little bit of water spots here, but getting it in the original box is absolutely amazing. So I'm trying to let y'all see this. Oh, there is a scuba right there, and then there's another Discovery. I had one of those and I broke it trying to fix it when I was 12, but I actually have another one that's not white, and it's the gray one like that. It's here. If y'all want me to show that one off for YouTube, I'll just let me know, and I will whenever I can get around to it. Yeah, but there's a lot of, this is I'm not good at speaking on camera, sorry. But there's like a lot of funny advertisements on here, or kind of little things that they wrote. Like, you would never probably say this in the modern day. It's like, how does it know where to go? Do I have to program it? There's nothing to program. Roomba uses sensors to figure out the size and shape of the room and will update its pattern as it cleans. Roomba will adjust its cleaning behavior to your room's unique configuration and won't stop cleaning until the room is covered multiple times. Something like that. Okay. But yeah, there's all this like cool old stuff on the back. Let's see on the side. That's cool. Other things. I hope the camera can see that. Wraps around the box. It's got like all the features listed and stuff down here. Maybe y'all can zoom in on that or take a screenshot. It says model 4110. Let's see if the bottom has anything. 1 year limited warranty included. I haven't started the warranty, so maybe they'll let me do it. I still have the warranty set for the scuba too. That'd be funny if they did do that. Alright, so I guess now it's time to go to the main thing. We have this little nice handle, like if you were to get it up in the mall. Unfortunately, malls are dying. I talk too much. Hope y'all don't get pissed off by the talking. I guess that's what I'm here for. So, this is, we got like the manual here. first off. Little thing. This is a safety instructions and limited warranty. All that jazz. Now, here's our coupon. Can register, or no? This might be the warranty thing, if I'm not mistaken. And the little address, like you were to mail it to them. Let's see if this not. Oh, it's sticking in my hand. All right. Moving on. Skinspiration. Yo! Oh, that's cool. Okay, they got like the little smiley face thing. Dang, they were wrapping these suckers before everybody got onto that. And that's cool. It's like the little Fruitiger Arrow fish tank thing. That sounds like such a Gen Z reference in that, but I guess it's blank on the back. This is our little owner's manual. You can hold things with 2 hands. All that jazz. What about that? Or maybe y'all do. Quick start guide. I think this one's, yeah. Quick start guide. That or not. Pause it. If you can, maybe you can read it. And here's the grand reveal. So I'm just gonna go off and say I think these things, at least the Discovery generation, came out in 04 maybe. So this thing's probably older than both of my little brothers. Slightly younger than me, but it's pretty close to my age, honestly. So, save the best for last with that. Got our little remote here. God, this is cheap. Plasticky feeling. Like, what can you do, I guess? Throw it in with everything else. It's very, very light, like, compared to a TV remote, it's real light. Got our AC to DC charger brick. Brick. Y'all, I'm stemming with the SCP thing. There that is. Still nicely wrapped with this, not zip ties, little bread ties. Got our old school virtual wall. Not the oldest one. I have some first gen ones too. I have the little silver ones. I don't know where those came from, but I have those too. Similar to the one that comes with the scuba. It's just the scuba's got that blue on it. Y'all know about these. I guess these has to come out at the same time. Oh, no, one more goodie. Oh, yeah. I think my parents still have one of these in their drawer. Back when they used to have the OG Roombas. And it's blue like this, too. And then I think they started making them red, or maybe that was the aftermarket ones. Alright. I think that's it. It's hard with the plastic. Crank it up like that. Alright. So, got our little filter here. And the charging base. Brand new. Brand spanking new. It's really awesome though. This thing's from way back when. Alright, and that is the main box, so I'll slide that out of the way and we'll get into the bread and butter here. Well, don't roast me, I sit weird, but I'm not going to sit crisscross applesauce, I don't like that. I was wondering where the battery is, and it's just sitting here. This thing's probably toast. But it would be, I mean, I guess I could keep the shell and rebuild the battery pack, or maybe I can rejuvenate it, I don't know. Nice little OEM battery pack though, before they started plastic wrapping them for the 500 series. Got a little tag here, which is interesting already, but I can go ahead and read it since it's really small. This robot contains an electronic and software interface that allows you to control or modify its behavior and remotely monitor its sensors. For software programs interested in giving Roomba new functionality, we encourage you to do so. Ooh. Because the functionality of iRobot Roomba can be changed by you and other third parties. Usage of this Roomba is subject to the enclosed end-user license agreement. If you do not accept this agreement, please do not open this package. For more information, visit www.irobot.com. Yeah, do not open this package, guys, after you done bought it. I don't think anybody's gonna do that. But yeah, it's like our little cereal port or whatever that is. I have one, but I've never used it on a 4000 series. I've just used it on a little throw around 500 series. I don't care about messing up. You know? It's like, these puppies, these are a little bit more rare. They're a little bit more collectible. The little 500 series and above, those things ain't rare. They're good, because they're easy to fix, easier than these, but there ain't much special about them, to be honest. And y'all that are fans of them or whatever, y'all can hop on my head if you want to, but it's true. They're a dime a dozen. I'm demolishing this package, guys. I'm sorry. try to get it out nice and neat. So this was in here like this. I'll show you. Discard before using. It's got a nice little protector in there. And there's our little OEM battery pack. Nice and new. Alright. Now, I don't know. Looks like something got on it. See that? It's like whatever was on the package, I guess, leaked through. I swear it's probably either like that already or just who knows what happened to it in the mail. It's not water either. It smells like oil. Oil. Roast me for being country. I'm gonna go get some paper towels. I'm gonna wipe this off. Okay, I just wiped it off with a paper towel and Windex. Not spraying the Windex on it, don't worry. Y'all can drop it down in the comments what you think it is. To me, it kind of felt like a really thin lubricant, and then it kind of smelled like that too, to be honest. It could have been something from the battery, I don't even know, but the battery doesn't feel like that. You'll never know. So, I guess this is a little dirt tray here. Oh, that is so long. That little squeegee thing. I do not think that they make them that long anymore, but like, man, that is long. There's a little brush release here. Okay. The fact that these come off the hinges. OEM. And there's a little dirt detect sensor right there. And that's pretty much it for this thing. Now I will plug it up, and battery probably won't hold charge, not gonna lie, but I'll show you how it goes. So you're gonna hear charging. Listen to that. If you do this, it's like you can barely even hear it because there's no charge in it. Like, let me put this up to there. I'm gonna press it. So we'll see what it actually does when it's charged, and hopefully that's not a bad sign, but we'll see how that goes.